In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your N8n workflows quickly and efficiently. This process is straightforward and can help you ensure that your automated workflows are secure and restorable in any situation. Whether you're a seasoned N8n user or just getting started, backing up your workflows is a best practice that will save you from potential headaches down the road. First, let's head over to the N8n platform. If you're not familiar, N8n is a powerful workflow automation platform that allows you to connect various services and automate tasks seamlessly. Once you're on the N8n homepage, you'll want to locate the sign-in option. Signing in is crucial because this gives you access to your personalized dashboard, where all the magic happens. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your N8n dashboard. This is your control center, where you can see all your existing workflows, view their statuses, and create new ones. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area if it's your first time, as it's where you'll be spending most of your time while using N8n. Now, let's move on to creating a backup. Look for the Create Workflow option on your dashboard. Clicking this button takes you to a new page where you can either start from scratch or, in our case, access existing workflows that you need to back up. Once you're in, you'll see your list of workflows. Each one represents a series of automated tasks you've set up using N8n. To back up a particular workflow, locate and click on the three-dot icon usually found next to each workflow entry. This icon provides additional options for managing your workflows. In this menu, you'll find the option to download. Clicking this will initiate a download of your workflow in a JSON format, which is a widely utilized and easily importable file type. Downloading this file successfully means you now have a backup of your workflow saved locally on your device. This file can be used to restore your workflow in case of system failures, accidental deletions, or whenever you wish to set up your automation on a different system or instance of N8n. Keeping regular backups also allows you to roll back to previous versions of your workflows if needed. By following these steps, you have ensured the safety and longevity of your work on the N8n platform. Regular backups are not only about securing your data, but also about giving you peace of mind as you innovate and automate your tasks. Be sure to repeat this process periodically, especially whenever you make critical changes to your workflows. Thank you for watching, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks on mastering your N8n experiences. Until next time, happy automating!